Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to do an update here for Jasmy. So Jasmy right now trading at 0.04443. We are still confirming or waiting to confirm this candlestick that we are currently at is a potential hanging man candlestick. And in an uptrend, it is confirmed as a total reversal here. Now it is going to rely on the next candlestick. So going into next week's close, if the price closes below the body itself, and that's kind of where the price is currently at for this candlestick is at the body or at the very bottom of the body. So a confirmation of that close of the next candlestick is going to confirm a strong signal of this reversal candlestick. As we take a look at the RSI, again, as previous videos here, we are still considered as overbought. So we may see that pullback that we are seeing currently in this week. And then the MACD indicator, again, that signals or shows us the momentum. The histograms or these bars itself is still strong green. Again, we are going to be monitoring this day after day going into next week to kind of see what our candlesticks are showing us. Now, taking a look on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is possibly going to consolidate. So consolidation just means coming up to an area of resistance and then coming down to an area of support, and where we're seeing this price is going to go sideways. Now, what we had observed from the price action going into this day's candlestick, we had broken the original ascending trend line, and the price is coming down to an area of support at 61% of our fib chart, which is approximately around 0.042 cents. Taking a look at the RSI here, we do see the RSI is at 54%, which does signal very neutral momentum. The price itself can go up or the price can come down because this isn't considered as overbought or oversold territory. As we take a look in our MACD indicator that measures momentum, from our previous day, we did see the histogram kind of go below our zero, but it is drastically getting bigger. So again, it may confirm that the price is going to consolidate, coming down to an area of support around our 61% of our fib, and then coming up to an area of retest of our resistance as high as 0.048. In terms of the volume itself hasn't seen a spike here. It is very mediocre, especially coming down to that area of support. We are going to monitor this very closely again to take a look at some of our characteristics of our candlesticks. But normally when we do come into an area of consolidation where the price moves side by side, essentially we do want to see, especially some of our candlesticks, to see if there are any of those breakout patterns. Taking a look at the immediate short term for 4 hours, confirmation from the previous daily time frame into the 4 hours, we are confirming a possible consolidation. We did see a surge of the volume and a surge of the price here, hitting it as high as 0.046. We can see that the price itself of the swing candlestick, the wick itself is drastically higher. So it does give us an indication that the bulls itself was trying to push the price but didn't succeed in terms of the bears. So the bears were able to pull off, taking over the marketplace for Jasmy in this 4-hour time frame. Typically, whenever I take a look at high swing candles and the next close of the previous next candle, it does kind of show me some characteristics as to where the price is going. For example, if the wick on the candlestick here is shooting upwards at the very top of our candlestick wick, then the price may go to the opposite direction depending on the close of our next candle. So for example, if this candlestick here does close below the previous close of the candlestick, then the price is going to come down to an area of support. Now, for example, here, if we take a look at this candlestick, let's say we close at this candlestick, we have the wick at the very bottom, extended long. If this next candlestick in the 4-hour time frame closes above the previous close, then the price itself may want to go upwards. Taking a look at the RSI here, we do see the RSI is currently at 50%. Again, it does signal very neutral momentum. We may see that crossover from the RSI line to our signal line, and whenever we see the RSI dip below our single line, it is going to signal that sell feature itself. So that sell signal. So the price again may retract to an area of support. And in the previous 4-hour candles, we've seen the immediate support bounce off from 0.042. Failure to hold on to this area of support, the price may drastically go even further down to the next line of support, which is going to be around 0.041. And if the momentum does pick up, we may see that Fibonacci level come down to the 50% at 3 cents. We do see very weak histograms here, not really showing us a surge of momentum, especially whenever it comes down to the bull side. We see these histograms quite small here. So it kind of shows us possible signs of consolidation once again. So again, with the consolidation, we do want to hold on to key areas of support if we do want to come up and retest areas of resistance. So for the 4-hour immediate short term, we are hoping that we do hold around the 0.042. If not, we may break below our 3% if we do see immediate surge, especially when it comes to the momentum itself. We may break through that and then come down to our 50% of our Fibonacci level. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.